In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1Password as an authenticator. This can be a great way to keep your online accounts more secure and streamlined, all within your familiar 1Password environment. So let's dive in and walk through this setup process together. To get started, you'll want to navigate over to the 1Password dashboard. You can do this by heading to the 1Password website and logging in with your account credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look up towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. After you've opened your profile menu, you'll find an option labeled Manage Account. Click on this and it will take you to a new page where you can handle various settings and preferences. You're now one step closer to enabling 1Password as an authenticator. Next, locate the More Actions button on the profile page. Clicking this will reveal additional settings. This is where you have the opportunity to manage security details like two-factor authentication, which is crucial for enhancing your account protection. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Two-Factor Authentication. This step is important as it brings you to a section dedicated to enhancing the security of your 1Password account by adding an extra layer of protection. Now, we're getting closer to our goal. There will be an option that says Set Up App. Click on this to initiate the process of using 1Password as an authenticator. Setting up two-factor authentication on your accounts will provide added security by requiring a temporary code in addition to your password whenever you log in. After clicking Set Up App, the next step involves downloading an Authenticator app if you haven't done so already. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy, but the key here is finding one that works well for you. Once you have an Authenticator app installed on your smartphone, scan the QR code displayed on your screen. This links the app to your 1Password account. Finally, after scanning the code, click Next and input the code generated by your Authenticator app into the provided field. This confirms the link between your 1Password account and the new authentication method. And that's it. 1Password is now all set up to help you manage two-factor authentication for your accounts. Remember, security is key in today's online world, and strengthening your account security is a vital step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with enhanced security.